Are you looking to take better photos? Are you not sure how to use your camera or simply want to pick up a few photography tips? If you're tired of boring YouTube photography videos that rarely show the presenter actually taking photos, then you've come to the right place. For anyone who has ever wanted to learn the secrets of shooting video as fast as possible, you can learn the fast-track system used by a world-class photographer and videographer to shoot, direct, and produce any type of video, regardless of your current skill level. The complete froknowsphoto 6-hour guide to shooting video, the ultimate guide to unlocking the hidden power of your DSLR, so you can start shooting high-quality video in the next few days. With this brand new video guide, you'll be able to shoot any type of video with your DSLR, Micro Four Thirds system, or mirrorless camera. Instantly make more money with your DSLR by adding an in-demand and high-value skill to your arsenal. Learn the video production secrets of an award-winning filmmaker and photographer so you can start shooting high-quality video faster than you ever thought possible. Whether you just bought your first DSLR or you're a seasoned photographer that wants a fast and systematic approach to DSLR video, this guide is going to be extremely valuable to you. Jared Polin have 1 million subscribers in YouTube. After 4 years of creating over 1,700 YouTube videos and 2 full training guides, he has gotten a lot of questions about how he shoot, produce, direct, and edit his videos. In this guide, Jared Polin and his good friend, award-winning filmmaker Todd Wolfe dissect the entire process of shooting, lighting, capturing audio, and directing videos shot with a DSLR camera. They break down everything into easy-to-follow steps that anyone can learn from, whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete newbie. This, like all of his guides, is a hands-on training program designed to help you learn as rapidly as possible. Not only is this no-holds-barred training program going to help you become a skilled videographer, with their highly engaging teaching style and insightful homework assignments you'll absorb and understand the ideas quickly so you can start creating your own videos in the next few days or weeks. The bottom line is that there's never been a faster, easier, or more engaging way to learn exactly how to shoot high-quality videos with your DSLR. Now click the link in the description below to check out it. You'll get instant access to these special bonuses. Bonus 1: How to create successful YouTube videos. In this video, Jared Polin will take you behind the scenes of his YouTube account and show you exactly how he creates videos and generated 1 million plus subscribers. Bonus 2: Todd's editing secrets and tips. The editing tips bonus is full on the guide that shows you some of Todd's best tips for editing videos that he picked up over the years as a professional filmmaker and producer. Bonus 3: DSLR video homework assignments. Instead of trying to guess what you should do next, they give you fun and helpful homework assignments so you can master the concepts as they teach them to you. Bonus 4: Shooting checklist. Even if you're on scene or out on a shoot, you can bring this PDF with you to make sure you have everything you need to shoot killer video. Print this out and take it with you everywhere. It's time for you to get in on the action. So don't waste any time. Take action right now.
Was this video beneficial to you? Then hit the button below and subscribe to the channel.